So now you've ordered the kit. What does that mean? Well, you get this in the mail and it pairs with the app. And between the two, you're going to be able to test all 5 of your senses. This is the 2-point discriminator, or the touch disc, that comes inside the SuperSenses kit. Physical therapists will use this discriminator to test whether or not you have sensitivity down to 2 millimeters for your fingertips, your finger base, and the palms of your hands. These are the 4 taste strips that come in the SuperSenses kit inside of the taste pouch. Paired with the app, you'll be able to identify whether or not you can taste these 4 compounds. This is the smell card that comes inside the kit. And when you open it up, you're gonna be walked through each of these odorants to see if you can identify each of the odors. So here's the SuperSenses app. And when you first open it up, there's a carousel. So you can select which sense that you wanna get started with. Take the first step towards better brain health by ordering your 5 senses test kit so you can test your 5 senses from home.